Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Lab Genius. In today's session, we are making Excel Introductory Capstone 1 year end report. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. I can do all courses: Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, accounting, finance, math, and many more courses. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Here is project description. To get idea about your project, you can see here. Okay, now moving on, question number one. Question number one is that open the Excel file, student Excel intro cap 1 year end report. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel file from Pearson at the lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file. You can see here. You can easily download this file from Pearson at the lab dashboard. Okay, now moving on, question number two. Question number two is that on the net sales worksheet, calculate total in the range F4 to F8 and B9 to F9. Apply the total sales style to the range B9 to F9. Basically, in this style, we will have to calculate the net sales worksheet, calculate totals in the range. First, we select this range and moving on SAS file, moving on Excel file, sorry. Okay, select this ranges. Okay, and second range is that B9 to F9. Second range is that. Okay, you can first we select this range and then auto sum. Okay, then you can see here it will be shown value here. You can select this range and go to click on auto sum. Okay, it will be shown all sums, totals. Okay, then apply total style to the range B9 to. First we select this range, go to cell style, then select total cell style. Okay, it will be applying. Done. Question number 2 is completely done. Now moving on, question number 3. Question number 3 is that using absolute cell reference as a necessary in cell G4, construct a formula to calculate the percents. Then the Colorado total is the total sales, and then apply percent style with 0 decimal, fill the formula down through the range G5 to G8. Okay, basically in this question we will have to apply a formula in cell G4. Moving on Excel file, then we will have to apply a formula in Excel file. Okay, moving on Excel file and then click on cell G4 is equal to absolute cell reference, that F4 divided by F9. Okay, then press enter. It will be shown value percent of total sales. Okay, you can see here it's shown value here. Then G4 to G5 to G8. Okay, formula down, it's done. Question is completely done. Now percent style with 0 decimal places. This question is completely done now. Okay, now moving on, question number 4. Question number 4 is that in the range H4 to H8, insert link spark line to represent the trend of each state across the 4 quarters. So first you can select this range H4 to H8. Okay, basically in this case we will have to insert a spark line. Then click on insert tab. Okay, insert line spark lines to the represent the trend of each state across the 4 quarter. Okay, moving on Excel file and then we will select click on insert tab. Okay, then click on spark line, insert line spark lines. Okay, click on line spark line, then we will add a second range, is that data range, is that you can select here data range. Data range is that B4 to E8. Okay, then press OK. It will be insert a line spark line. You can see here line spark line is inserted now. Do not include the total display markers. Okay, this question is completely now. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is that select the range if A3 to E8 and then use the recommended charts command to suggest as appropriate chart. First we select this range A3 to E8. Okay, Then use the recommended chart. You can select this range A3 to A8. Okay, then use the recommended charts command to suggest an appropriate chart. In chart tab, click on recommended chart, then you can select this chart. Okay, suggest appropriate chart, click or press, then first clustered column chart, then uses state names as the category axis. Align the upper left corner of the chart inside the upper left corner of A11. Okay, right click on this cut, or you can move this. Okay, cut and paste in A11. Okay, it's done now. And then size the chart so that lower right corner is slightly inside cell H24. Lower right, you can move this select and I24. Lower light is that you can select there. Okay, it's done now. And then size the chart so that, okay, apply chart style. You can apply chart style. You can, okay, 7. I have applied chart style 7. Now as chart title, you can copy this title and then click on chart title, and then we will add a new title is that, okay, quarterly net sales by state. Okay, done. This question is completed. I have done 5 questions. Now moving on question number 6. To show the percent that each state contributes to the total sales, select the non-adjustment range that represents the state name and state totals. Insert 3D pie chart and then move the chart to new sheets. Name the new sheet net sales by state. Okay, we will have to insert a new chart, 3D pie chart. Okay, to show the present that each state contribution to the total sales. Select the non-adjustment range that represents the state name and then state totals. Moving on Excel file, you can select this first. Okay, then click on Chart tab. Okay, first we will select this totals and this ranges. Okay, then move to click on Chart tab, then click on pie chart, then 2D pie chart here, 3D pie chart, sorry, 3D pie chart, and name the chart sheet net sales. Okay, name the sheet net sales by state. Moving on Excel file, then we will change this name of sheet is that. Okay, move chart into new sheet is that net sales by state. Okay, it's done. Press OK. This will be done. I have done 6 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 7. Question number 7 is that change the chart title to annual net sales by state, and then change the chart title font size to 36. Okay, basically in this step we will have to change the chart title. Okay, moving on Excel file, then we will change this chart title annual net sales state. Okay, click on chart title, then we will add this chart title is annual net sales state. It's done now. And then change the chart title font size to 36. Okay, then we will have to change the font size. Click on chart title and then click on font size, and we will increase font size 36. Go to home tab, click on this, go to home tab and then click on font size, then we will select 36 font size. Okay, remove the legends from the chart and then add data label that display. Okay, right click on this and then we will have to move the legend. Click on legend. Okay, it will be moved and display on the categories name and percentage position in the center. Okay, add data labels that display only the categories name and percentage position. Okay, right click on this, click on data label and then click more option. Okay, we will select this categories name and percentage and then remove the value. Okay, then we will have to remove the value. Change the data label font size to 14. Okay, sorry, we will have. Okay, go to home tab and then we will change the font size to 14 and then apply bold and italic. Click on 14. Okay, and change the font color to white and background 1. We will click on bold and italic. Okay, Then change the font color to white, background one. Okay, select, click on font color, and then we will select this background one. Okay, it's done now. This question is completely done. I have done 7 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 8. Question number 8 is that select the entire pie and select the format data series pane from 3D format gallery. Modify the 3D option by changing the top. We will select this. Select the entire pie and display the format data series. Okay, right click on this. Modify, then we will have to modify 3D option by changing the top bevel and bottom level, bottom bevel to first level in the first row. Right click on this, format data series. Format data, okay, then and 3D format gallery modify the 3D option by changing the top bevel and bottom bevel. Click on data series, formatted series. Okay, you can change this bevel. Top bevel is that, and then bottom bevel in first row. Set all of the width and height boxes to 512, and then change the material to the third standard. Width and height is that 512 pt. Height is also 512 pt. Then 512 pt and height is also 512 pt. Okay, this is done. Material to the third standard type plastic. Material to the third point is plastic. Click on material. Change the, okay, you can see here I have done. Now okay, moving on material, click on material, and then we will select material to the plastic. Okay, go to material and then select plastic. Okay, metal, then plastic. Here is plastic. Okay, there is plastic. You can select plastic here. Okay, it's done now. Okay, I have done 8 questions of this assignment. I'm moving on question number 9. Question number 9 is that insert a custom footer with the file name in the left section and then save your workbook. Moving on Excel workbook. Then we will have to insert a custom footer. Okay, go to page layout, go to margin, go to custom and header footer. Okay, we will have select left section is a file name and then save it. Okay, yes, this question is done now. Now moving on question number 10. Question number 10 is that on the settled inventory worksheet in cell B5 enter. Click on settled inventory worksheet, then click on V5. Enter a function that will display the average retail price. In cell B6, enter a function that will display the medium retail price. In cell B7, enter a function that will calculate the lowest retail price. In cell B8, enter a function that will be calculated the highest retail price. Format the range B5 to B8 with the counting number format. Okay, moving on Excel file, then we will have to enter a function on cell B5. Price is equal to, then we will enter a function that will display the average retail price. is equal to price is equal to, then enter function is that average, then into D14 to D19. Okay, relative price is here, you can see here. Okay, select relative price column, then press enter. It will be show value average relative price. Then in cell B6, enter a function that will display the median relative price. Okay, moving as well for book, click on cell B6 here is equal to median, and then 6 relative price is here. Then press enter. It will be show median price. Then click on cell B7, enter a function that will calculate lowest relative price. Okay, click on cell B7 is equal to, then min, and then into relative price column is here. You can select this ranges and then press enter. It will be show value here in cell B8. Okay, enter a function that will calculate the highest relative price. Maximum function in cell B8. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, then click is equal to, then enter max function. Enter a max function into relative price column here ranges, then press enter. It will be show highest price value. Format the range. Okay, format the range. Before have to wait with the counting number format, you can select this range first. We have to select these ranges and then moving on home tab and click accounting number format here. Okay, it will be apply accounting number format on this ranges. Now moving on customer 11, I have done 10 customer of this assignment. Customer 11 is that in cell B10 insert a count function that counts the number of skills item in the support column. In cell B10 we will, okay, moving on Excel workbook, then click on cell B10. We will have to enter this function here, count function, then okay, count if function, then we will have to enter a value here F14 to F19 sport column here, and then this ranges, and then we will have enter statement scanning, then press enter. It will be shows sky products value. Okay, this customer is completely done. Now moving on customer 12. Customer 12 is that on this settlement worksheet. Okay, click on this in cell G14, enter a function to determine the items to be ordered if the quantity in stock is less than 50. Then the cell should display order. If not, then cell should display okay. Copy the function down through cell G9. Okay, click on G14, then we will have to enter a statement function here, if function, then if 14 less than, we will enter a statement 15, if 14 less than 50, then or order okay. Okay, and then copy the function down through G19. We will have to copy the function down through G19. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on customer 13. Customer 13 is that format the ranges A13 to G19 as a table with headers. Filter the table on the spot. You can select this range first. Okay, A13 to G19. Okay, then go to table. We will have to convert this table. Okay, filter the table as the sport column to display only the seeking tabs. Okay, only select skiing. Okay, done. Then press OK. Display a total row in the table and then sum the quantity in stock for seeking items. Display a total row in the table and then sum the quantity in stock for seeking item. Type the result in B11. Okay, total row. Okay, click on total. Right click on total and then sum is 86. Okay, you can find sum here. Display total row in the table and then sum the quantity in stock for seeking item. Okay, then scale quantity in stock is 86. Okay, you can find here and then put here 86. Sorry, tab is not B. Okay, tab the result in B11. I have already tabbed here B11 this result, and then stock and graphs tab. Remove the total row from the table and then create the spot filter. Okay, remove this total row and then create the spot filter here. Okay, clear then. Okay, done. This question is completely done now. You can see here. Now moving on question number 14. Question number 14 is that at gradient fill blue data passed to the range is 14 to A19 at conditional formatting to the range G14 to G19 so that the cells with text that contain the word order formatted with bold italic. You can select this first range. Okay, we will have to select this range, then click on conditional formatting and data bars blue data bars here. Okay, it's done now. And conditional formatting range G14 to G19 so that cell with text that contain the word order for formatted with bold and italic. Okay, you can select this range and click go to home tab, go to conditional formatting. Go to conditional formatting, heights, rules, and then text. Format cell that contain the text to orders here, then formatted with bold and italic. Then press. Okay, then go to custom cells, then bold, select bold and italic, and then select italic. Sort the table by atom hash from smallest to largest. Bold italic. Okay, then sort the table by atom hash from smallest to largest. Then press OK. Okay, then now we have to sort the table smallest to largest. Table by the hash atom is that sort is largest to smallest to largest. Okay, this question is completely done. Now moving on question number 15. Question number 15 is that display the inventory summary sheet in cell B4, enter a formula that referenced by B4. Okay, display inventory summary sheet in cell B4, enter a formula that references cell B4 to settle inventory sheet so that is settle total atom and stock display in cell B4 and cell B5, enter a formula that references cell B5 to settle inventory sheet so that settle average price display in cell B5 and cell B6, B7 and B8. Okay, we'll have to enter a formula, click on cell B4 and press is equal to, enter a formula and then press is equal to, then we will have settle inventory sheet. Okay, then click on cell B5. Okay, press is equal to and then go to the references is that settle inventory is equal to, click on settle inventory and then press on B5. Okay, then enter, it will be show value and then B6, 7 and 8. Okay, from reference to the median price, lowest price, the highest price in the settle inventory sheet. Okay, first we select on B6 is equal to B and then go to settlement 6 and then click on cell B6 and then press enter. Okay, it will show value, then is equal to, then go to settlement sheet, then press B7. Okay, then is equal to, go to certain inventory, then B8, okay, then press enter, it will be show all value. Here you can see here this question is completely done now. Now moving on question number 16. Question number 16 is that in cell C4 enter a formula that references cell B4 in the Damner inventory sheet, so that's Damner total atom and stock display in cell C4 and cell C5, C6, C7, 8 enter similar. Damner is equal to, okay, C4 is equal to, then go to C4, C5, 6, 8 and enter similar formula to reference from the average price, median price, lowest price, okay, is equal to, go to certain Daimler inventory sheet and then press C5, okay, is equal to, go to Daimler inventory sheet and then press here, okay, press enter, okay. You can see here I have done this question, this all formula show here all values. Apply accounting number format to the range, select this range and then go to home tab and then apply accounting number format on this ranges. Okay, then go to home tab and then apply accounting number format. Okay, I have done this question. Now moving on question number 17. Question number 17 is that on the annual expenses sheet, construct formula to calculate totals of quarter the range B10, E10 and the annual total in the range F10 to F10. Apply the total style to the total by quarters. Okay, and then center the column heading. First we select this range B10 to E10. First we select this range. Okay, then first we select this, click on auto sum and it will be shown all value in here. You can see here. Okay, select this ranges and then auto sum. Okay, press on auto sum, it will be shown all value. You can see this question is completely done and then apply center the column heading and then apply heading for cell style. Okay, we will have to center the column heading. Okay, cell style and total cell style and then apply total cell style here, heading 4 cell style. Okay, then column headings B4 to, we will select this ranges and then center and then apply heading 4 cell style. Then cell style is apply heading 4 cell style, apply heading 4 cell style here, click on heading 4 cell style. It will be done this question. You can see here I have done 17 question of this assignment. I'm moving on question number 18. Question number 18 is that use absolute cell references as necessary in cell G5. Construct a formula to calculate the percent of the total by dividing the sales expense annual total by annual totals by quarters. Fill the formula down through the range G6 to G9 using absolute cell reference as a necessary in cell G5. Click on cell G5 and enter a formula is equal to construct formula percentage of the total by dividing cell expense is equal to F5, okay, annual total of cell expense dividing by F5 dividing by F10, okay, total by quarters. Okay, it will be shown value, then press enter. You can see here I have done this question, this formula and shown our value. Fill the formula down through the range G6 to G9. Okay, now moving on next question. Next question is that using the data in the non-adjusted ranges B4 to E4 and B10 to E10, insert a line with marker charts. Okay, first we select these ranges and second is insert a line with marker charts. Okay, Go to insert tab, select these ranges and then go to insert tab and click on this line chart, click on lines. Okay, line with markers here, you can select this chart, line with marker here. Okay, position upper left corner to the chart, select inside the upper left corner to A12, right click on this chart and paste in A12. Change the height of the chart 1.7 to 5 inches. Okay, go to format and click on height is 1.75 inches and then width is that 8 inches. Okay, we will have done we will have to adjust this 8 inches. Okay, then press enter. Okay, it will be done. This question is completely done. Now moving on customer 20. 20 customer is 20 is that apply charts style 7, change the chart to direct expenses, added the vertical axis so that okay, click on chart, then go to the chart design, select 7 chart style. Chart 7 chart style is that 6, then 7 chart style is that. Okay, it's done. We will have to select chart style 7. Okay, change the chart to direct expense, added the vertical axis so that the minimum. Okay, we will have to add a chart title here, then added the vertical axis so that minimum is 18,000 and then major unit is 1 lakh, 80 lakh and then major unit is 10 lakh. Okay, right click on this and format axis, then we will maximum is that, minimum is that 80 lakh, then major unit is that 10 lakh. Okay, then press OK, it will be added here. Then I have done 20 questions. Now moving on question number 21. Question number 21 is that use format pointer to the copy format from cell A2 to A20 in cell B23. Enter a formula that references the value in cell F10. We will have to use format pointer to the copy formatting from cell A2 to A20. Okay, moving on Excel workbook. Click on cell A2 to okay A20, then click on format pointer in cell B23, enter formula. Okay, A2 to okay, now click on cell B23 and then press is equal to, then F10, it will be shown value. This question is completely done. I have done 21 question of this assignment. Now moving on question number 23. Question number 23 is that using absolute references, cell reference necessary in cell C23, construct a formula to calculate the projected expenses for 2020 after the forecasted increase in the B21 is applied. Fill the formula through cell F23 using absolute cell references as necessary in cell C23. Moving on Excel workbook and then we will have to enter a function formula in cell C23. Cell C23. Okay, moving on Excel workbook, then click on cell C23 is equal to, then B23 multiplying by is into 1 plus B23 sorry B23 multiply 1 plus you can see here. Okay, B21, then done. This question is done now. Okay, this shown values here. Okay, then the fill the formula through cell F23. You can see here. You can see here I have done complete assignment. Only one question remaining or two. You can contact me for remaining question. You want to deal for complete course or you want to need your help in your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will provide you A plus grade in your assignment, exam, quizzes, and complete course. I can do all courses: Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, accounting, finance, math, and many more courses. You can contact me easily through my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.